Today, we're honored to host our annual flag replacement ceremony, a tradition that gives us the opportunity to honor Old Glory and to recognize the men and women who have served our nation. This year's ceremony is especially meaningful as our country is celebrating America's 250th birthday, making this a particularly special time to reflect on the freedoms and sacrifices that have shaped our nation. Thank you for joining us as we come together to celebrate our flag, our veterans, and the enduring spirit of America. Let's begin.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars